Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular smartphone gimbals, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the AOCHUAN M2PRO. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just someone looking to enhance your video quality, choosing the right gimbal can make all the difference. Let's explore what each of these gimbals has to offer. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro features advanced 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage even during dynamic movements. This is particularly beneficial for action shots or when filming on the go. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2PRO offers 1-axis stabilization, which, while adequate for casual use, may not provide the same level of smoothness as its competitor. If stabilization is your top priority, the JCROBOT is the clear winner. One significant difference between these two gimbals is the app requirement. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro requires a dedicated app for full functionality, which can be a hassle for some users. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN M2PRO operates without an app, making it more user-friendly for those who prefer simplicity. If you want a straightforward experience, the AOCHUAN might be the better choice. When it comes to unique features, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro offers multiple advanced shooting modes, including Inception and Dolly Zoom, which can elevate your creative possibilities. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2PRO includes a built-in RGB fill light, adding versatility for low-light situations and creative lighting effects. Depending on your filming style, you may find one of these features more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the AOCHUAN M2PRO have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize advanced stabilization and features, the JCROBOT is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that is easy to use, the AOCHUAN may be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.